Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. I have another easy make project for you, and all you need is just papers from your stash, and you can make one of these really easily and really quickly as well. If you've lost your crafting mojo when you want to make something, I think this would be a great little project for you to get back into the swing of things. Or if you want to just make a quick fun project for a weekend craft, this would be a great one for you to make as well. If you are in a swap group, or you want to do a happy mail swap with a crafting partner, and you want to make something last minute, this would also be something that you could put together and then put all of your fun goodies to swap with your crafting friend or your swap partner. So I'm going to show you how it looks like and what I was able to put in here, and just to give you some inspiration as well for you. I was really happy with how it turned out. It was so fun to make, and it's a 4x4 size. You can see it's not really bulky, but you can still put more things in here. I've just put a few little things in here just to give you an idea. I'm in the middle of destashing still with all of my craft things that I've made. So I came across one of the embellishments that I made a while back. So I thought this was a perfect way to just add to the front of the flip book. I also had a Hello die cut that I had die cut from one of my Hello dies, and I thought that was another great way just to finish it off on the front. I use gold glitter cardstock. So this was just a really simple cover to decorate, just with one of my embellishments and the word. And so it opens up this way, and there is a front pocket here. I put just a few things in here also just to give you an idea. This is just things that I've had laying around that I'm still just sorting out. Looking forward to doing another D-stash for you and listing it in my Etsy store. This is one of my tags that I made, and I think this is a really pretty tag. I just used my paper scraps to layer that, and it was a perfect size to fit in there. These are just some die cuts from, I think, Paige Evans. I can't remember what collection. I just found one of those and popped that in there. I made one of these pockets as well, just some plain cardstock to create a little tag to pop in there. So you can put another little pocket with a few bits and pieces and still place it in that pocket. And I just had one of these die cuts as well. And so that is the pocket. So you can see you can put some stuff in here. You can put some more tags, a bunch of ephemera pieces, anything. There's a nice deep enough pocket to add whatever you like, and it's nice and wide. And then over here I just embellished this side, and there is another side pocket. And the side pocket, I've got a little mini envelope that I've made. I made like a file, a card with a file tab in here, just also to give you an idea. Just use your paper scraps, make a few of these, corner around the corners, and create a little pull tab. And you can write your little note here if you wanted to do send a note to your craft partner, or you can use this as a photo mat and add photos. So that would be a nice, great way in here to add some photos in here. You can use this for any occasion. Valentine's Day is coming up, so you could probably make one of these with the Valentine's theme papers. Then on the back here is another sort of pocket with an envelope style pocket with a closure. I use a Velcro dot. I've got in here, I made a little mini note booklet. And that would be a great way to gift also to a crafty friend, or just for yourself if you want to use this as a spot to write a few journaling pieces. I just use printing paper and just fold that in half, and then just use a staple to hold the pages together. And that was just a nice, perfect way to fit that in the back. And that's the closure. So it's just really simple. It looks complicated, but trust me, it's really easy to put together. And all you need are 3 pieces of papers. I use double-sided paper to make the flip book because this way you can see both the patterns on both sides. But you can use single-sided paper as well. So let me show you how to put one of these together. You'll need 3 pieces of your papers. These are all double-sided. They don't coordinate, so I'm just using whatever papers I have. The first paper you want to cut is you want to cut one at 6 by 6, and that's going to be the cover part. So it'll be this one here. So you choose which paper you like for your cover, and that's at 6 by 6. You want another piece of paper, and that's going to be this part here that you see, and you're going to also see that on this side. And that paper, you want to cut that at 4 by 6 inches. So it's 4 by 6 inches. You'll also want another paper for your closure for the back pocket. And that one you want to cut at 3 inches by 4 inches. And I did use papers with patterns that's not going in any direction, which makes it easy to make this flip book. But you can use whatever you like. So there are all the 3 pieces you're going to need: a 6 by 6, 4 by 6, and a 3 by 4 inches. I'm not sure if I said that right before, but it's a 3 by 4 inches. So they're all the pieces you're going to need. And we're going to start first with the 6 by 6 inch paper. And I'm trying to make the scoring measurements really easy for you to remember. I'm just going to face the cover facing down. So makes it easy. And we're going to make one score line at 4 inches. And then you're going to turn it around to the right, and you're going to score at 2 inches. So just to make it easy, it's just scoring it going in at 2 inches one way and 2 inches up the other way. So both of these sides are 2 inches. And you want to grab your next piece, and that is going to be this part here. And you just decide which side you want as the part showing there. So I'm going to have it the same as this one, and I have this one up facing up. I'm going to also have that facing down, and then on the 6 inch side you're going to score at 4 inches. So we'll put that to the side. And then you also have this piece of paper at 3 by 4, and that's the closure for the back. I'm going to have that pattern also facing down, which is so that's going to be the cover. I'll have that facing down, and then I'm going to score it on the 3 inch side at 1/2 inch. So we've got all the scoring all done. So we don't need the scoreboard anymore. Just grab my circle punch before I forget. Okay, so what we're going to do first, I've just got to get my scissors. And my scissors, sorry, here we go. Let's grab these scissors. So you have the score line here at that 4 inch, and then you've got the score line down here. We're going to remove this little corner piece down the bottom here. So we're just going to cut up to there and across there and remove this piece. So that's just like that. You can put that to the side. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to come in a little bit and just cut a little bit more, probably about 1/8 inch up to that score line. So about that much. It's just so it's easy for us to fold the paper up. And what we're going to do, I'm just going to turn this back around. And all we're going to do now is you're going to grab a circle punch. It doesn't matter what size. And you're going to punch a hole here and also down here. So what I'm going to do first, you can make your notch anywhere along the edge here. I like to put mine probably up here, just like that. And let me just show you. And that's going to be this part here. So we've got that done. I'm just going to fold this piece up. And that is this piece down here, the pocket part. And you can also do the same and create a notch along the edge here if you wanted to do that. And place it wherever you like. I'm just going to put mine on the more to the left, just to decorate the pocket a bit. You don't have to create the notches if you don't want to do that. So we've got that now. So that part's done. And then I'm just going to fold this over just to make it easy. Just a gentle fold for now. Just go like that. We're going to grab this piece, and it is the score line we scored here at the 4-inch. We're going to fold that back. So that part will be at the back. So this will be the front. What you want to do next, we're just going to bring this piece and we are going to place it on the bottom, and we're going to glue that down like that, and that will give us the side pocket like we have here. And I'm just going to show you the back. And go this way. So it's going to go like that. Now at the back, I'm going to place mine not right on the edge when I glue it. I'll just show you this way. I'm going to have it just a little bit away from the fold. So let's do that. So what we'll do first, let's glue the front pocket so that won't be confusing, and that's already complete. So I'm just going to glue the two sides here. So one side and one on this side, and that will now give us our pocket in the front, a top pocket. So that will finish off this part. That was nice and easy to do. I'm going to bring this to the front, and I'm going to glue the top and the bottom here. And then I'm going to grab this piece and I'm going to glue along the edge here. And I want to place it. I shouldn't have put a little bit too much glue on in there. So I'm going to just go this way. So now we've got the glue along here in the front. We're going to place this cover on the front, and I'm just going to go to the back. I just want it about that much away from the fold, so that way you can still see the pattern of this paper and also the pattern of this paper, but also I didn't want it to line up with the fold here. I just didn't want that look. I just think it might make it look untidy, so I thought by sliding it in a little bit, it just keeps this fold in the front more neater. So I'm going to open that up and glue the top and the bottom there. So you can see that part's done. So that was the pocket. Then we've glued the back to the front of this piece. And then when you turn it over, that's the edge here. And then we've got this piece, that's this piece here. So what we'll do here, I'm going to create another notch here, and this one I'll do in the middle. It looks confusing, doesn't it? But it's pretty easy to assemble. So that's that. And now what we'll do next, I'm going to glue down these two sides, and that will give us this pocket. And then we have the other piece where we scored along here at the 1/2 inch. We're just going to fold that. And then I'm going to corner around these two corners. And then you've got this part here, that's going to be the part we glue down, so you've got an open and closing part. So that's going to get glued down like that, and then you've got yourself a closure for the back pocket. And you can place this part wherever you like. You can go all the way down to the bottom if you wanted to do that. You can go all the way up. I've made enough depth for you so you can place it wherever you like. So I'm just going to glue now the back here. And you can just place it wherever you're happy with it. So I'm just going to place it here and just place that down. And then you get to see the pattern as well from the other paper. So you can see how nice it is when you've got the pattern of double-sided paper. So just glue that down. And that is all there is to this easy pocket flip book. And then you can add some Velcro dots for closure. You can just use a square foam squares to glue that down, or washi tape. If you wanted to use an eyelet, you'd probably want to put your eyelet or whatever you like, a magnet or whatever, do that first before you glue this pocket down, so that you're able to get your string around it, or a bra, or whatever you like. And that is all there is. And then you just have fun decorating it. So I have here, these are some more little pockets that I've found in my stash. I will be adding these to my D stash as well. So if you are subscribed to my channel, you don't want to miss out on my next D stash. I did a D stash in my last video, and I was surprised that it sold really quickly. I think I had 30 D-stash mystery packs, and they were all sold out within the first few days. So hopefully don't get to miss out this time round and be able to grab my next D-stash. But you can add a pocket like that in the front too, and then that pretty much finishes off your cover. And then you've got another little pocket with a tag in the front. So you could do that. You can embellish it. You can also maybe add one of these there too. That'll fit there. A little small pocket tag. You can make some cute. This one I made this with a 6x6 paper, and I've lost the coordinating tag for the pocket, but you can make the little pocket and a little tag with I think it was one 6x6 paper. I can't remember, but I did one of these a while back, and that would fit perfectly there too, or in the front like that. So it's a fun little pocket idea, just to give you an idea of how to decorate your cover if you don't want to do any embellishing. But yeah, so this is the flip book. Really happy with the way it turned out. It looks really, it can look a little bit confusing to put together, but really it's just a really simple folder using 3 pieces of your papers from your stash. I hope you enjoyed this fun tutorial and inspiration idea for you if you wanted to make something. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.